Hi Joe, it's me G. I decided I wanted to show you my apartment. It's a little bit messy, but well, it's where I spend most of the time, most of the week. So, hi by the way. I miss you guys. Oh, let me show you. That's the living room. um, the TV. Adam Sandler movie. My computer. Some DVDs, some stuff, some books. Look who's here. Oh yeah, cool, right? It's not real though. A lot of college material, a lot of it. There's more college material. All to study. And here's the living room. And here's the kitchen. Oh, right. Kind of the same thing, right? Right now I'm preparing a salad. Very healthy, by the way. So I'm trying to be healthy. The kitchen. We have a lot of green stuff. The room, well, it's a little bit messy right now. It's always kind of messy. I always organize it on Fridays because that's when I leave to go home. My backpack, closet, a lot of things. Look, I have to wear white to school, so my white pants and my shirts are white. Oh, that's it. It's a little bit small. So you gave me that. And that, I bought it when I went there. And you see, mess. What a mess. Well, it's night. It's at night, so you won't be able to see the view. But there, where it's very, very dark, that's where the cemetery is. And that's my college. A part of it. Part of my college. See, it's right across the street. That's the city. It's a pretty view. I will make a film in daylight, so you will see. Oh, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. It's a tiny room, but I wanted to show you. Just say hi and I miss you guys.